Hi, everybody. Good evening. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the public speaking event. It is a state-only event for our DECA state competition in Hershey this winter. So for your public speaking event, DECA is going to give you a topic so that everybody competing in this event is going to be speaking on the same topic. The topic this year is limitless. You can go any different direction with this. Go ahead and start to formulate some of your own ideas, and I'll be there to back you up so that we can help you and make sure that you have a very good experience. So a couple of the different things that you'll need to know, I'm going to come right down here underneath of our specifications. The speech is meant to be 5 minutes long. The time will begin when the participant speaks the first word. So 5 points per full half minute over or under will be deducted. If your speech is between 4:31 and 5:29, there will not be any deductions. But that time limit is going to give you an idea of what you really want to shoot for. So you really want to shoot for close to 5 minutes. Notes are going to be allowed. You can use your own personal watch. Timing warning signals will not be used during competition. So they're not going to let you know when you've got 1 minute left or anything like that. And then also, once you write your speech, you want to make sure that we've got a really nice, clean copy that you can hand in during the event orientation, which doesn't happen until we actually get up to our state competition. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have you watch this video, find the files, and then also begin writing and working on your speech in class. And you will practice with Mr. Connor or myself before we go. You'll practice with us multiple times, but you can also practice with anybody else that you feel like could help you out quite a bit. So it's actually going to have a format similar to this, a cover page, and then an outline. So you're going to tell us what your outline is actually going to be. It must be on white paper, double spaced, 1-inch margins, pretty typical for any kind of essay sort of thing. And if there's any other thing like that, we want to make sure we've got it stapled. And if you have a bibliography, we want to make sure that we use that as well. So you'll see a few more details that are going to be here. And let me just show you where you're going to be able to find this. So we're going to come to our DECA Schoology page. And in our DECA Schoology page, let me just navigate over here. You're going to be able to see, here's our DECA Schoology page. This is going to be in DECA Competition Practice Materials, PA DECA Only Events, and then PA Public Speaking. So we'll have a couple reference points for you in there as well. And right now what you're looking at is just a same version of what I'm showing you. And you can scroll all the way down and you can see the details. And then you can also see the rubric that will be used to score your speech. All right, that's what we're going to do to get started. So as soon as you watch this video, go on in and access those files so you can start brainstorming on your speech idea. Good luck.